Hello Dnation and welcome back to a special unbox and review episode. In today's episode, I'm going to be unboxing 8 Diecast Motorized ATVs with riders which are manufactured by Maisto. I was curious to see what these little diecast beauties were all about and what scale sizes these would match up with. And that's exactly what we're going to find out in today's episode, so stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. Well, let's begin by taking a look at the packaging. These diecast ATVs come in a signature Maisto blister packaging with all the product branding and information. And as you can see, I've got all the variations from this ATV series, so let's go ahead and take a look at the packaging before we set these little beauties free. And with that out of the way, and as we get these opened, please be careful while using sharp objects and keep in mind to keep these diecast collectibles away from children below the age of 5 as the tiny parts can be hazardous. So keeping this in mind, let's get these opened. Well, at first glance, these diecast ATVs look quite premium and have a good build quality to them and also have quite a bit of detailing to them as well. And these models are manufactured mostly of diecast and a few components with ABS plastic, and the little riders are articulated and match up with their rides, which make them an awesome add-on and premium looking. These models have a beautiful build quality and they measure in at 3 inches in length, 2.5 inches in height, 1.5 inches in width and weigh in at about 60 grams on average depending on the model. And these ATVs along with their riders come with spot on paint apps according to this color scheme and branding details, and come with a pullback mechanism which makes them functional too. So as you can see, these are the 8 different diecast ATV models in the Fresh Metal ATV series collection by Maisto. So with that being said, let's quickly run through these diecast models and see what these little diecast beauties are all about. So moving on, my only apprehension is to see if these diecast ATVs could match up with my 118 scale licensed diecast motorcycle collection, so let's go ahead and make a comparison. Well, this is a licensed 118 scale Ducati 1199 Panigale manufactured by Maisto, and this premium model measures in at 5 inches in length, 4 inches in height, 2 inches in width and weighs in at about 120 grams. So I guess by these measurements, the new arrival should be a bit smaller compared to these motorcycles and might not match up with my current 118 scale motorcycle collection. But however, let's go ahead and make a side-by-side comparison to visually clear our doubts. So here we go. So as you can see, these ATVs are smaller and they almost match up in size but cannot pass off as 118 scale. But that's okay as we get quite premium diecast ATVs with matching riders from Maisto for a good price, which is a bang for the buck. And this makes me happy and brings a smile to my face that I made a choice to get these diecast beauties, and moreover that I'll be able to add these as a standalone collection as there are quite a few in this set. And with these models you're guaranteed a replica which is built to last and will warm the hearts of any diecast hobbyist or collector. So now let's check out their wheel spin and their functionality. And kindly find further features and specifications regarding these diecast ATVs in the description below. Well, everything seems to be spot on and up to my expectations, and so with that being said, let's place these Diecast ATV models on the Dnation turntable and take a look at these Diecast beauties in a 360-degree view. And here are a few fun facts. A pullback motor is a simple clockwork motor used in toy cars and bikes. A patent for them was granted to Bertrand Fred Francis in 1952 as a keyless clockwork motor. Pulling the toy backwards winds up the internal spiral spring, a flat spiral rather than a helical coiled spring. When released, the toy is propelled forward by the spring. When the spring is unwound and the toy is moving, the motor is disengaged by a clutch or a ratchet and the toy then rolls freely onward. Often the clutch mechanism is geared so that the pullback distance needed to wind the spring is less than the distance the spring is engaged propelling forward. And for further information on this topic, kindly check the links in the description below. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones any one of these Diecast ATVs that are featured in today's video, I dropped the best buy links for them in the description below. So go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested. And also please do let me know what you think about these fresh metal ATVs from Maisto and which one of these are your favorite. And I would like to take a moment to thank all my Dnation subscribers and followers for your constant support and feedback, and I just wanted you to know that all this is possible only because of the encouragement and the support I get from you. So please continue to support Dnation by subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also by liking and sharing our videos, and stay tuned for some unique and fun episodes coming up. Stay cool and keep collecting. And I also wanted you to know that our all-new 2020 Diecast motorcycle series is coming up next, so stay tuned with Dnation on this one and enjoy the ride. And this brings us to the end of this amazing unbox, review and comparison episode, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a massive thumbs up and share it, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button if this is your first time here, and also don't forget to click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. And if you care to share your views and thoughts on this episode, please do drop your comments below, and stay tuned for a lot more exciting episodes coming up next. Well, thank you for watching, take care, and I'll see you on the next one.